Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread in your oven. First, gather your ingredients like 3 ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of flour, and half a cup of sugar. Make sure your bananas are very ripe for the best flavor. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit now, so it's ready when your batter is mixed. Start by mashing your 3 ripe bananas in a large bowl until smooth. In a separate bowl, cream together half a cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined to avoid tough bread. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. And speaking of fresh, after your kitchen smells amazing from baking, make sure your car smells just as good. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a quick recommendation, and you can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. After baking, let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.